all set. Thank you for reviewing your security options. You can change these options anytime from your settings. Your password okay, non-reverter on. Turn on two-factor authentication.
And if you don't know how to turn on your Facebook Protect, guys, stay tuned and we will teach you how to do it. In today's video, guys, I will teach you how to turn on your Facebook Protect before October 30, 2021. And I'm sure you want to know that, but before, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification for more tutorial video like this. So let's begin. Meow meow. Yes, click the Facebook. Be sure you have a Facebook app and click the three lines upper right. Then wait and click the settings and privacy, and also settings again. Then privacy check up. Check that also. Yes. Then how to keep your account secure, click that. And how to keep your account secure, turn on continue. You need to check that all, guys. Check. Yeah, make it blue. As you can see, guys, the message popped up, and after all you make it blue, you can click the next. And then if you want to change the password, you may change your password. But for me, guys, I will not change my password. Okay, you can skip that also, but it's up to you guys if you want to change your password. Then here we go, guys. You have an extra layer of security. You can add your phone number here also to get notified to your cell phone, yes, to your mobile. But for me, I will set up later, so skip that. And then voila, that's so easy peasy. Yes, we're all set, and you can check that also. Just if you want to check that, just go back to your profile. Yeah, click the three lines again, and then settings, and then privacy check up, and then check your important security. Yes, no issues found. Security check. Yes. And don't forget to give me a like, guys, and also please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for more tutorial video like this. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.